To support their own ideas, writers must thoughtfully integrate sources with their own critical thinking. When adding a paraphrase or a quote from research, follow this pattern: claim, evidence, analysis. The claim is the writer's own point about the topic. The evidence is information from research. The analysis is the writer's explanation or response to the research. For example, in this passage, notice how the writer asserts a claim based on a personal and informed perspective. Children's folktales play an important role in the education of youngsters of every culture. Next, the writer borrows information from a source to exemplify and support the claim. For example, the story of Little Red Riding Hood is one of the most popular. One reason is the story's important lessons for children. As Beckett 2008 writes, writers and illustrators around the world have recognized the appeal of the popular story of the little girl and the wolf. The tale presents a child who confronts problems of a grown-up nature. Page 5. After citing the source, the writer then provides analysis that fully explains and connects the research to the discussion. In other words, folktales like Little Red Riding Hood explore topics such as treachery and murder that are forbidden in other types of children's literature. Effective source integration helps writers stay in control of the discussion. Audiences and instructors value students' own critical thinking. Therefore, anytime a source is cited, it should be introduced and explained afterwards, using the writer's own words. Please reach out to the Effective Writing Center for more help integrating sources.